as you can see here with this machine, I'm standing behind it. This is a high risk area. I'm walking back towards the machine, not looking, and the machine will come to a stop, as you can see. So that vision is now going directly up to a cloud. 5 seconds before the incident, 5 seconds after the incident, direct to our safety portal. Version 2 has been released. You can see every moment of every event, be it yellow zone, red zone. That allows you to change behaviour instantly. There's no more he said, she said of what occurs. And data. You want to get the data, you want to improve. We provide all of the analytical information to be able to see trends across work sites, see trends across operators or pieces of plant, see heat spots on different sites. That means there may be a traffic management issue. All the analytical data can be provided to you through the portal.